गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
Hello everyone, Channel 11, Chapter number 2, Presentation of Data. Continuing further with the chapter, till now we are seeing about the data, about the classifications, simple fold, manifold classifications. Now let us see about the frequency. What do you mean by frequency? A numeric value showing the repetition of value of an observation. एक particular value कितनी बार repeat हो रहा है, that is called as the frequency. एक particular value, particular number कितनी बार यहाँ पे repeat यहाँ पे हो रहा है, that is called as the frequency. Frequency are two types. One is discrete frequency distribution and one is continuous. Discrete, the word says discrete, single number. Okay. So based on that, I have framed out a particular sum, so that will be easy for you people to understand what you mean by discrete frequency distribution. So here the question. During the month of June 2019, information relating to number of accidents on daily basis is given below. Classify the data. You are given with number of accidents in the month of June. So 30 numbers are given. As you can see from the data, minimum number is 0 and maximum number is 6. Minimum number is 0 and the maximum number is 6. We got to classify the data. For classification, we got to give the heading. So number of accidents in June 2019. Okay. First column, number of accidents. Second column, telemarks. I hope so you have learned in 8th standard, I think so. And third column, about the frequency. What is the highest number given? Okay. Lowest number given to me 0. Highest number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and total. Okay. How will we do? We'll cut the numbers 0 to 4. 0 to 4. 1, 1, 2. 1, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, 3, 4, 2, 1, 4, C, 4, पैरा 5, 4, 2, 1, 5 हो जाए, चौथा हो जाए, 5 पे आए, क्रॉस में लाइन कर दो, 4, 2, 1, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, again 3, 6, 6, 1, 6, again 6, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 0, 5, 0, 0, 5, 0, 2, 0, 4, 2, 0, 4. I hope so I am clear with my telemarks. Cut the numbers and make the telemark. It will be very much easier for you. Okay? Keep on cutting the numbers one by one. and keep on having the tally marks. Okay, I have done 3 cutting the 3 numbers. Okay, 3 नंबर को मैंने काट दिए, उसको याद रखिए मैंने यहाँ पे tally marks किए। आप जैसे चाहें वैसे कर सकते हैं, पर ध्यान दीजिए कि गलती ना हो। Okay, now counting the tally marks. This is a set of 5. 5 plus 1 6. 5 plus 2 7. 4. Again 4. Then 2. Then 2. Total 5 plus 6 11 plus 7 18 22 26 28 30. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 into 3 is 30. In June month we are having 30 days. So that is called the frequency. So single number is termed as the discrete frequency distribution. Based on this, okay, I'll be sending you few of the sums based on discrete frequency distribution. Do the calculations, solve the sum properly, and then send me back the solutions along with that. Hope so you are clear with the discrete frequency distribution. Our next topic will be continuous frequency distribution, in which we will make the classes based on the data given to us. Hello everyone, we have already learned about the discrete frequency distribution. Now carrying forward to continuous frequency distribution. So discrete number मुझे discrete frequency मुझे आपको कब यूज करना है, जब मेरे पास जो डेटा अवेलेबल होता है उसका रेंज बहुत लिमिटेड हो। ओके, सो इन सिंगल नंबर में इफ आई कैन रिप्रेजेंट तो मुझे डिस्क्रीट यूज करना है। इफ इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू रिप्रेजेंट द सिंगल नंबर तो मुझे आगे करना कंटिन्यूअस। सो व्हेन द रेंज ऑफ डेटा इज टू मच लार्ज, जब इसका रेंज हाईएस्ट नंबर एंड लोएस्ट नंबर के डिफरेंस हो अगर बहुत ही ज्यादा बड़ा होता है, इन दैट केस वी गॉट टू सॉल्व कंटिन्यूअस फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। So what is the formula for range? Formula for range is highest number minus lowest number is termed as range. Okay. Class length, we got to determine the class length, the gap between the class. So class length denoted by C. Range means highest minus lowest upon number of class. कितने class बनाने हैं? Okay, that's the number of class denoted by K. In short, C equal to R upon K. क्लास भी आपके दो टाइप के होते हैं, वन इज एक्सक्लूसिव एंड द अदर इज इंक्लूसिव। एक्सक्लूसिव वर्ड से एक्सक्लूड निकाल देना है, दैट्स कॉल्ड एक्सक्लूड। तो 0 से लेके 20, तो 20 यहां पे नहीं, 20 यहां कंसीडर करेंगे। 20 to 40, 40 यहां पे नहीं, 40 नीचे कंसीडर करेंगे। 40 to 60, 60 यहां पे नहीं, 60 नेक्स्ट कंसीडर करेंगे। एक्सक्लूड ये नंबर जो है अपर लेवल नंबर, लोअर लेवल, अपर लेवल, ये नंबर को यहां से एक्सक्लूड करते हैं, उसको मैं नीचे काउंटिंग करूंगा व्हाइल राइटिंग द टेली मार्क्स। इंक्लूसिव इंक्लूड करते हैं 0 से 19 इज इंक्लूडेड, 20 to 20 39 इज इंक्लूडेड, 40 to 59 इज इंक्लूडेड। तो मुझे यहां पर डिसाइड करना है whether to solve it with exclusive or with inclusive. ठीक है, you can do it by your own. Okay ना? Now solving the sums. Okay, based on this. So here first of all we'll find the range. First of all we'll find the range part. So range, highest minus lowest. First of all we'll find the range. Formula for it is highest number minus lowest number. So what is the highest number? Highest number from this I can see it is 83. Sorry, it is 86. I can also see 86. Highest number. And lowest number I can see it is 27. I hope so. I got my highest number and lowest number. Yes. 86 minus 27. Okay. The difference is 59. The difference is 59. I got the value for range. I got the answer for range. Now I will determine the number of class. How many class I want to prepare. Okay. So class length 59. Supposedly I want to make 8 class. So 59 divided by 8, I'll get the value of 7.375. Means on an average, I'll make a class length of 10. Okay. या तो आपको क्लास का गैप 5 का रखो या 10 का रखो. It will be very much easier for you to prepare the tally marks. So that's why make the class length of 5 or 10, so that it will be very much easy to go for 10 marks. So I'll take a class length of 10. So from where shall I start the class? So from where shall I start the class? Okay, I'll prepare it over here. Information regarding the weight of 40 students. Okay, weight of 40 students. So I'll write down over here. Weight over here. Tally marks and frequency. Okay. So I'll prepare a table form. Okay. So I'll start with the class. I got to cover 27. I start with the class of 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, and 80 to 89. And total of it I will make. Okay. Confusion of telemark will be solved. You are already having the lines in the notebook. Okay. 56, 38, 56, 38, 32, 29, 32, 29, 49, 56, 49, 56, 74, 40, 74, 40, 80, 39, 80, 39, 49, 41, 49, 41, 86, 50, 86, 50, 54, 42, 54, 42, 62, 44, 62, 44, 74, 48, 74, 48, 81, 27, 81, 27, 79, 46, 79, 46, 83, 58, 83, 58, 80, 69, 80, 69, 42, 59, 42, 59, 41, 31, 41, 31, 50, 40, 50, 40, 39, 43, 39, 43, 48, 51, 48, 51, 50, 61, 50, 61. Here 2, here 5, here 13, here 9, here 3, here 3, and here 5. Total 2 plus 5, 7, 20, 29, 32, 35, 40. Got the answer 40. So I hope so this is the better way of solving the sum of continuous frequency distribution. First of all, we got to find the value for range, highest minus lowest. Then we got to decide that class length. Formula for it is range upon number of class. How many class you want to prepare. Okay. Whatever answer you got, I always suggest you कि आप क्लास जो भी बनाएंगे वो गैप आप रखें कि आप इजी हो आपके लिए. 5 का गैप, 10 का गैप, 20 का गैप, 30 का गैप, 50 का गैप, 100 का गैप, आप वो प्रिफर करें. So that it will be very easy for you to prepare the telemark. So you have to notice me कितनी जल्दी you can do the sums. Because the thing is that see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 आपके पास 56 सोचना नहीं है आपको कहाँ करना है. 56 को ही 5 ही आने वाला. That's why smartly you can deal with the sums. Hope so I am clear with the continuous frequency distribution part. Watch it again. Try to understand that, because based on this we got to solve the sums which I will be sending you as an exercise. Thank you.